Are you the happy owner of Razer Kiyo camera? And has this happened to you? Like and subscribe if this happened to you during stream too. Oh what? Oh no! My camera is busted. If you don't want to spend $100 on a new camera right now and your warranty is void, let's try to fix it. But be warned that this fix will void your warranty if you still have one. Make sure to attempt an exchange first. So I found this post on Reddit. Big shoutouts to Ben SG65 on the solution, and he proposed to shorten the F1 fuse in. First, remove the diffuser light ring. I use my fancy kunai for this. Unscrew the bolts. Another on the metal plates. Now here it is. I'm not the best at soldering, but it only took me a few minutes. It's pretty easy. Let's test it out, and there you have it. This clip was recorded on my fixed camera. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. So if it happens to be that